For minor scratches or chips, it's fairly easy to fix it by yourself and save both time and money. Here are 6 easy steps to follow. Step 1. Find your vehicle's exact color code by locating the vehicle identification plate. Typically, its location is inside the driver's side door jamb. Color code is either alpha, numeric, or combination of both. Alternatively, most automotive parts shops will have color booklets for this, or on their website. Once you have this info, you can then find the corresponding color pen. Step 2. Clean the damaged area with a damp cloth or grease remover. The idea is to get the surface as clean as possible. This will make it much smoother to apply paint. Step 3. Prepare the surface by using the pointed end of your color pen. Then wipe the area and let it dry completely. Step 4. Prepare the applicator. Do this by shaking the pen for 30 seconds to thoroughly mix the paint. Then choose the applicator end that is best suited for the repair. The precision pen tip, or the brush for larger repairs. Ensure you test out the pen on a scrap piece of paper in advance and make sure the paint is flowing smoothly before you apply it to your car. Step 5. Paint the area. Carefully apply the paint in one direction and evenly. Let it dry for about 30 minutes and repeat this process if needed. Finally, Step 6. Seal it. From the opposite end of the pen, take out the sealing applicator and apply the clear sealant. Wait for 30 minutes for it to dry off completely. And that is it. Hopefully your car will look as good as before. If you enjoyed this quick video, please like and subscribe.